Hi, I'm Scott McClarty, Head of School.
Hi, I'm Allison Castro, Assistant Head of School.
Hi, I'm Ernest Sy, Dean of Students.
And I'm Carrie Martin, Dean of Studies, and we are the upper administrative team at Providence High School.
Hi, everyone, and welcome to our virtual open house. As weird as it is to be welcoming all of you virtually, and as much as we would prefer to be welcoming you to our campus, we are also grateful that we have access to the technology that allows us to come together and be socially present, even when we are physically distant. We want to take this opportunity to share about what our 4 commitments and priorities are as a school. They include partnerships, learning, health, and voice. Providence High School is an independent and Catholic school. We place enormous value on both our independence and our Catholic identity, rooted in the history and charism of the Sisters of Providence, and our commitment to justice for and service to those who are poor and vulnerable. Though we are independent, we believe that we are also interdependent and that we can accomplish more on behalf of our students and families in partnership with others. Our focus on partnerships begins with our students and families. Everything is built on our partnership with you. Our primary external partner is the Providence Health System, a network of 51 hospitals, more than 800 clinics across 7 Western states. We operate at the intersection of health and education and have developed some unique and powerful partnerships because of that unique position. As an example, last year alone, we became the first school in California to forge a partnership with Work to Be Well, a student-led organization founded in Oregon devoted to destigmatizing mental health issues among adolescents. We've also partnered with One Love to support our students in developing healthy relationships, and with Half the Story Project to unpack the effects of social media and screen time, and that's just the beginning.
When I think about what's important for you to know about Providence High School that sets us apart, first and foremost, Providence is a place for learning and growth for everyone, students, parents, teachers, staff, and administration. We are constantly, deliberately learning from and with one another. This intentional dynamic ramifies into everything we do and the way we do it. It's why I've been at Providence for 17 years. It's why we did not miss one instructional day during the shift to remote learning back in March. And it's why our students thrive. Providence is a place that will challenge you to grow and improve, and then, in turn, to improve us. Learning doesn't just go one way from teacher to student, and we live that truth by elevating student voice and staying on top of what is happening in higher ed and society at large. Too often, learning can be static and one-dimensional. Educational institutions have the tendency to lean too heavily on tradition. But at Providence, the legacy of the sisters is one of responding to the signs of the times. And we embrace that pioneering spirit in our curriculum and instruction as well. We're committed to keeping our academic programs relevant and focused on what students need for their future, not our past. We keep curriculum relevant with things like our interdisciplinary program at the 10th and 11th grade core classes, and with initiatives like One School, One Story, where students choose the summer reading for the entire school. Our department chairs are constantly revamping courses. The most recent example being our phys ed department's overhaul of boys and girls PE into a comprehensive wellness program that explicitly addresses and supports students' mental, emotional, social, and physical well-being. Our mission, values, and pioneering spirit really do ramify into every area of the school. Innovating isn't just what we do, it really is who we are.
Here at Providence, we like to say, you belong here, and we mean it. One of our main focuses is that of the holistic health of a student, paying close attention to their social, physical, and emotional well-being. With over 30 student clubs, 8 student-led organizations, and 22 athletic teams, there is ample opportunity to be involved in campus life, strengthen one's own healthy well-being, and build lasting and healthy relationships with others. We are especially proud of our student-led organizations or SLOs for short. These inclusive student communities, such as the Black Student Union, Association of Latin American Students, Filipino Student Association, Providence High, Kahila, Red Whistle, PRISM, and Stronger Together, not only accept students of all cultures and beliefs into their communities, but also advocate for tolerance, justice, understanding, and equality for all. The pioneer spirit is evident throughout the campus. It is a healthy and vibrant place where students will not only be known by their first name, they will also have an opportunity to thrive in a supportive environment. So join the fun. Stand up and cheer on our basketball team. Perform in one of our amazing theater productions. Travel across the country and sing with our talented choir. Compete in video game competitions during Pioneer Day. Participate in the dodgeball tournament. Dance the night away at our winter formal. And much, much more. We look forward to seeing you on campus soon. And remember, you belong here.
We recognize that one of our roles as leaders and educators is to amplify student voice. We invite our students to take part in processes that help guide our decision making. We want to know what our students are thinking, and Providence is a place where students are asked to contribute their voice and strengths to better our community. Student feedback plays a part in the hiring of new faculty, uniform policies, and teaching and learning. A student's journey at Providence is about discovering not what they want to be, but who they want to become. The more they learn about themselves, the better they're able to identify how they want to contribute to their community. One of the first things that our 9th graders did when they began with us this summer was learn about their strengths. Each new student took a strengths assessment to identify their unique top 5 strengths. We want our students to lead with their strengths because as they learn more about themselves and they identify who they are and what is important to them, they develop their unique voice. To all of you watching, thank you for engaging in our open house experience. Please take some time to watch the videos that have been created by various departments and programs. We look forward to meeting you in the admissions process. Thank you, and go Pioneers!